Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay and we are going to give you an update on the first branded residence to be set up in Jamaica, and that is the Pinnacle here in Montego Bay. Now, branded residences is one of the fastest growing segments of the tourism industry. Branded residences are luxury homes associated with internationally recognized hotel or lifestyle brands. These developments combine private residential ownership with the services and amenities of a luxury hotel, such as concierge services, housekeeping, property management, restaurants, wellness facilities, and private clubs. So basically, it's like you own an apartment, but you get all the benefits of an all inclusive hotel. It is the new trend in tourism, and as you know, Jamaica leads the Caribbean when it comes on to tourism. And so it's only fitting that Jamaica sets up one of the largest branded residences in the Caribbean. So we're going to give you more information on this. Luxury real estate in the Caribbean has evolved significantly over the past 2 decades, with branded residences becoming one of the fastest growing segments of the tourism and property market. Branded residences are luxury homes associated with internationally recognized hotel or lifestyle brands. These developments combine private residential ownership with the services and amenities of a luxury hotel, such as concierge services, housekeeping, property management, restaurants, wellness facilities, and private clubs. Buyers are attracted to these projects because they provide prestige, high standards of management, and the potential to earn rental income when the property is not in use. Jamaica is now entering this exclusive global market. The country's first internationally branded residences are expected to be a part of the Pinnacle Montego Bay, a major luxury development located on the Redding Peninsula in Montego Bay. The project is valued at roughly US 450 million and represents one of the most ambitious luxury real estate developments ever undertaken in Jamaica. It includes several residential towers, luxury villas, and a hotel component. Some of the residences will be connected to international lifestyle hospitality brands through Accor and its lifestyle division, Ennismore. This partnership will bring hotel-level services and global marketing to the residences, placing Jamaica among the growing list of Caribbean destinations offering branded luxury living. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.